Next we will be approaching Rotterdam Central. If you're leaving us here, please remember to take all your personal belongings with
Put more
you.
down. There you go. They actually do fit. Wait, what was that?
Am I glowing in this lighting?
Oh, absolutely.
Oh my god. Handycam? Hell yeah.
I cannot see that far.
You can't see.
Hello, champ.
Too many times today.
When you watch this back, you're about to see the hardest shit ever.
You know, like some white demon.
Oh my god, you actually do. This is Jaden.
Yo.
Alex. Oh my god.
Do a backflip.
Do a backflip. Wow.
Oh, this is actually really cute.
Relax, it makes me...
twitchcon badge. And then it says cookie. No.
5 teams competing right now. The top 5, they have to go first. And you'll see that the bottom 5...
You're leaving. No. How would you rate your first TwitchCon experience out of 10?
8.5, 9.
That's quite high.
Yeah.
That's quite high. I would give it like an 8.5 as well. So sad. So